Today, we will perform a manual relearn on a 2019 Ford Edge using the VT56 TPMS tool. Instead of the standard ignition, this vehicle is equipped with a push-button start, which requires the user to push the button multiple times to enter relearn mode. Let's get started. From the main menu, select Service. Select the vehicle's make, model, and year. Select Manual Relearn. Select Push Button Start. Be sure to read all of the instructions and select OK. With the vehicle off, push and release the brake pedal. Push Start button 5 times. Press and release the brake pedal. Push the Start button 6 times. And a single horn will chirp to indicate the relearn mode is active. Use the VT56 tool to activate the left front sensor. A single horn sounds to indicate sensor learning successful. Repeat for the right front, right rear, and left rear tires. Training mode complete will display on the message center when the relearn is finished. Thanks for watching. For more information on Ford vehicles, visit our website at atech-tpms.com.